Okay, so follow along. Fresh ground turkey. I'm doing a double recipe, double batch. This is pretty good stuff, and I'll tell you, this is all natural, 100% natural organic turkey. It's 95% lean. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. A couple of the ingredients we're using today are gonna be carrots, garlic, onion, flat leaf parsley, large mixing bowl. All the parsley goes right into the mixing bowl, and I can move on to my next ingredient. Which is onions. I'm not going to show you how to dice an onion because you should already know. I'm going to be going with a small dice here. Oh yeah, onions go right in the mixing bowl. Okay, I'm using a box grater. Next ingredient, 2 large carrots. Safety glove. Push them right through the large holes like this. And the carrots, they go right in the mixing bowl. Oh yeah, looking good. We're moving right along here. Toss this together, see what we got. Yeah. Next ingredient, garlic. Got about half a bulb of garlic here. Just like that. Garlic goes in the bowl. Oregano, 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper from the last video, 2 tablespoons. Meat, we're adding the meat. Oh yeah, looking really good. Now we got a few more ingredients. Panko breadcrumbs, half a cup. Italian breadcrumbs, half a cup. I like the texture of both, that's why I'm using them. Whole eggs. I'm putting 3 eggs. You're probably going to make a smaller batch, so I suggest you use maybe 2 large eggs. Oh yeah, looking good. Now we mix it up. Okay, time to mix it up. Do we use a wooden spoon? No. Latex glove, the perfect mixing tool. Your hand. Oh yeah. When you think it's mixed enough, mix it some more. Okay, so now I'm going to do a test batch and see if I need to adjust the seasoning. And what I'm going to use next is a scoop. I'm going to do a little scoop like this. Oh yeah, that's a nice meatball, and I'm going to test this out. The test. Okay, let's see what we've got here. This is one of my meatballs. I want to make sure that it's done all the way as well as perfectly seasoned. And the only way to do that is to do a test batch like this and then give it a taste. Oh, wow, that's good. Needs salt. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, a side note, Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.